Today I am going to discuss about the surface marking of thorax. So first I am going to discuss about the body landmark. First of all we see the clavicle. This is clavicle and we are starting from its lateral end to the medial end. This lateral end it is known as acromial end, and this is the medial end, it is known as sternal end. Then second landmark of this thorax, which is known as Jupiler Nodes or Suprasternal Nodes. This is present at the just above the superior border of the manubrium. This is superior border, the manubrium. This is manubrium, and between the sternal end of the clavicle. It lies at the level of the lower border of the T2 vertebra. This is T1 and this is T2. So at the level of the lower border of the T2 vertebra it lies. Then here in this nodes we can palpate this trachea. So this is the second landmark. Then come to the third landmark. This is manubriosternal joint or sternal angle, and it is felt as a transverse ridge above the 5 cm below the suprasternal nodes. This is suprasternal nodes, and from here 5 cm below this angle is present, and it lies at the level of the second costal cartilage anteriorly. This is second costal cartilage. It is present anteriorly and posteriorly. See here, this is second rib and this portion is costal cartilage. So here this manubriosternal joint is present here. So it lies posteriorly. The discs in between the T4 and T5. This is T4 vertebra. Count from here T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. So in between the T4 and T5, this is present at the level of this this disc. This is present. This sternal angle is present, and from here the ribs are counted. The second costal cartilage and ribs lie at the level of the sternal angle. Here second rib and second costal cartilage is present. So from here we can count the ribs with the fingertips by tracking the finger downward and laterally like this. Then come to the fourth landmark, that is Suprasternal joint. This is Suprasternal joint between this body of the sternum and xiphoid process, that is known as Suprasternal joint. And see in this diagram, this portion is known as Epigastric Fossa. The depression is the angle which is known as Epigastric Fossa, and so here see here in this portion Epigastric Fossa is present. So the suprasternal joint is present just above the epigastric fossa. This suprasternal joint is present. So between the two costal margin, here this is costal margin. The costal lies between these two costal margin. Here lies the infrasternal or subcostal angle. This is infrasternal angle or subcostal angle. This portion. Then come to the xiphoid process. This xiphoid process, which is the fifth landmark, and it is lies in the floor of the epigastric fossa. Here epigastric fossa is present at the floor. This is lies. This xiphoid process is lies. And in this video we wind up here in the fifth landmark, which is xiphoid process, and we will discuss in other video the remaining part of the landmark of thorax. Thank you.